So today's story name is, what is today's story name? వచ్చేసిండ్రు వీళ్ళు. I start, you will come now. Bad boys. So today's story is, I want to go to Singapore. Okay, what story name? I want to go to Singapore. Who want to go to Singapore? Let us see. Who want to go to Singapore? Singapore. Actually, Chittu want to go to Singapore. This is Chittu. This girl is Chittu. This is Mittu. So Chittu want to go to Singapore. Very interesting story. So Chittu said, Mittu, I want to go to Singapore. Okay, so I want your help. Okay, how I can help you? So Chittu asked Mittu, I don't know how to go. Please tell me how I can go to Singapore. What is my mode of transport? Okay, so Chittu said, chalo. Next day, Mittu came. Mittu came with flight tickets. Mittu came with flight tickets, aeroplane. He said, oh, Chittu, you can go in this aeroplane. I have a nice plan for you. Then Chittu said, no, I have fear of flying. I cannot fly in the aeroplane because I may fall. So she has lot of fear of flying. So she says, no Mittu, I don't want to go. Okay. So Mittu said, Arey, nothing will happen. Your mother is there, your father will be there. No. Chittu said, नहीं मेरे को नहीं जाना, एरोप्लेन में नहीं जाना, मैं गिर जाऊंगी. I will fall. Lot of fear. Then said, no, Mittu, please come with another plan for me. Help me with another plan. Okay, chalo. Next day, Mittu came again. See, Mittu came. Mittu said, Chittu, I got the train tickets for you. You can go in this train. See, Chittu's face. Chittu says, no, I cannot travel for a long time. It will take 3 days to reach Singapore. No, I cannot travel for a long time, Mittu. Please, Mittu. Arey, you don't want to go in aeroplane. You have fear of aeroplane. And you also have fear, you get bored when you go in the train. She says, Mittu, please, Mittu, get me one more plan, no? This is day 2. Okay. Then what happened next day? Again Mittu came. Chittu, I have a wonderful plan for you. See, I bought tickets for your Volvo bus. Nice bus. See, bus. You can go in this bus to Singapore. Very nice plan. Then Chittu says, see, Mittu, in bus there are 60 people. All of them will be sitting like this in front, beside me, in front of me, back side of me. No, I don't want to sit with all of them. I will get suffocated. I cannot sit in a bus and travel for 4 days, 5 days. No, Mittu. Again, she don't want to go. 3 days, 3rd day plan also gone. Bus also she don't want to go. Aeroplane she don't want to go because she has fear of falling down. Don't want to fly. If he says train mein jao, train, no, I won't go. It is very boring traveling in the train. It is very boring. He don't want to go. She don't want to go. And 3rd day he came up with the bus tickets. Then she says, 60 people, suffocation. I don't want to go. Gone. Then she says, Mittu, tomorrow you please bring a nice plan, Mittu, please. Definitely I will go tomorrow. Okay. Next day, Mittu came. Chittu, I have a plan for you. You go in auto. You sit in auto like him. You can go. You have your mummy, you have your daddy or your grandparents and go. Then Chittu says, Ammo, auto will go very slow and वो उल्टा फुल्टा हो गया तो उल्टा फुल्टा माने it will go like this because it's a long journey. No auto, I don't want to go. Again she says no. Flight no. Train she says no. Bus she says no. Auto also no. No. कुछ हुआ तो अरे वे रामा, why you don't want? No. Please, I don't want. Okay. This is day 4. Please remember all these days. I will ask you. 4th day over. This plan also gone. 5th day. Mittu. Chittu. Best plan I got for you. You go on cycle. You keep one helmet. You have a cycle. You have a backpack. And you go on cycle. Toy. You can go on cycle. Chittu says, Arey Mittu, I can travel in the daytime on cycle. I can go cycling. But night? No, I can't go. Night, I have fear. Darkness. Other people will come. Animals will come. Thieves will come. No, I don't want to go. So she says, no. I don't want to go because I have fear of darkness. Are Rama. Okay. Chalo. This is 5th day. 5th day. So now, Mittu says, no, I'm not giving you any plans. I'm not giving you any ideas now. Because every plan I'm telling, you say no. Aeroplane, you say no. Train also, you say no. Bus also, you say no. Auto also no. Cycle also no. Now no plan for you. Go. There is no Singapore for you. Again Chittu says, please Mittu, last time Mittu. Please Mittu. One more plan. Last plan. Okay. 6th day. Mittu says, excellent plan for you. Wow. You can nicely walk and go to Singapore. It will take 15 days for you, but you can nicely have some shoes, backpack, okay, nicely goggles, have some cap. You start walking, you go and you will reach after 2 weeks to Singapore. Go. Then Chittu say, Mittu, मेरे को बहुत दुखता है. My knees will get pain. I cannot walk, I cannot walk. Please. Now Mittu got so angry. Every time I give you plan, you will say something or the other. Go. No plan, nothing. Now you're not going to Singapore. Mittu, please. Mittu, last day. Mittu, 7th day. Mittu, tomorrow you get me plan. I will definitely follow it. Okay. Next day, Mittu came. And Chittu was like this, happy, nicely sitting. And nicely like this, face is very nice. Then Mittu asked, I want to give you a plan. So Chittu said, no, I don't want any plan. I already went to Singapore yesterday night. Yesterday you were here and today you are telling that you went to Singapore. How? Then, Chittu gave the secret. Mittu, yesterday night I was sleeping, and when I was sleeping like this, I was sleeping and suddenly I got Singapore in my dream. I saw Singapore. I saw all the waterfalls. I saw big, big buildings in Singapore. Everything I saw. And I came back in the morning. Wow. Then Mittu said, Hare, so nice. Then Chittu says, see, you want me to go in aeroplane? You want me to go in train? You want me to go in the bus? You want me to go in the auto? And also you want me to go on the bicycle. But see, without any vehicle, I went to Singapore in my dream and came back. Very fast, very nice. Oh, so Mittu was so happy. Mittu was so happy listening to this. Hooray! In the dream it went. Chittu went in the dream to Singapore and came back. And night she visited the Singapore. So nice, no? Is it nice? It's a power of dream. You can dream and go back. Now all of you close your eyes. All of you close your eyes. All of you should close your eyes. Yeah. Now, all of you try to go to your grandmother's place. Oh, close your eyes and go to your grandmother's place. Think about your grandmother's place. Can you see it? Yes. Open your eyes. How many of you see your grandmother's place? Can you see? In your imagination? Show me yes. Can you see? Yes. Now close your eyes, all of you. Now try to imagine your school. Try to imagine your school building. Can you imagine? Yes, can you see your school building? Yes, open your eyes. Show me. Show me how many of you see. School building. How many of you see a school building? Wow. Very good. See, this is how Chittu said, Mittu, you can go to any place. Okay? Okay? Chalo. Now I want to ask you, what did you understand from this story? It was a nice enjoyment story. But don't, have fear of all these things. You people don't have all this fear. Then Chittu says, and finally I will tell you what Chittu said. Chittu says, Mittu, I don't have any fear. I just wanted to understand how many plants you will get for me. I just wanted to know how many plants you will get for me. I don't have fear of aeroplane. I don't have fear of train. I don't have fear of bus. I can travel in the night. I can walk for hundreds of miles. So Chittu said, it's only to ask you, Mittu, how many plants you bring for me? Okay? So no fear. We should also have no fear, no? We should go in any transport. Okay? But we should drive safely. Okay? So now, what is the next?